This section introduces learners to PMP and modern project management. Explain that PMP is the world's most recognized project management certification, validating a professional's ability to lead projects effectively. Highlight why PMP matters today because organizations want certified managers who can handle complexity, deliver value, and ensure project success across industries. This module sets the foundation for the entire program. PMP is a globally recognized certification that proves you can lead projects strategically. It validates your ability to manage teams, handle stakeholders, control project constraints like scope, time, and cost, and deliver business value consistently. In simple terms, PMP shows that you're not just coordinating tasks, you're capable of leading projects end-to-end with professionalism and discipline. A PMP-certified professional understands business goals, creates realistic plans, manages uncertainty, and keeps communication and teams aligned. These are exactly the areas where most organizations struggle. That's why PMP certification is valued globally. It proves you can bring clarity, discipline, and alignment to complex projects. This slide shows the difference between a normal approach and a PMP approach. A non-trained person focuses only on speed and task completion. A PMP-trained leader steps back and brings structure, clarifying requirements, prioritizing work, planning resources, analyzing risks, aligning stakeholders, and tracking progress. The key message: PMP replaces chaos with a systematic, controlled way of delivering projects. This slide highlights why PMP is valued worldwide. PMP is globally recognized in 200 countries and opens pathways to senior roles like PM, Program Manager, and PMO Head. Certified professionals typically earn 20 to 30% more and are seen as true project leaders. Since PMP is industry neutral, it adds value in IT, banking, pharma, telecom, construction, BPO, and many more sectors. This example shows how PMP principles create real business impact. Without PMP, HR simply pushed IT to do it fast, which led to confusion and delays. With a PMP approach, the project manager clarified pain points, defined success criteria, aligned all stakeholders, and set structured checkpoints. The result was powerful. The hiring cycle dropped from 45 days to just 18 days. PMP brings discipline, clarity, and measurable results. This slide shows how PMP shifts the mindset from traditional task-based thinking to real value delivery. PMP emphasizes outcomes instead of just outputs, alignment instead of control, communication over simple instructions, and empowering teams instead of using a command style. These shifts help projects run smoother and deliver meaningful business value. This case study shows how PMP practices solve real project challenges. The telecom rollout was delayed because stakeholders were not aligned. A PMP-certified PM fixed this by mapping stakeholder power and interest, creating a communication plan, running weekly alignment meetings, and maintaining a risk and issue process. These structured steps improved rollout time by 40% and eliminated cost overruns. This case study shows how PMP practices solve real project challenges. The telecom rollout was delayed because stakeholders were not aligned. A PMP-certified PM fixed this by mapping stakeholder power and interest, creating a communication plan, running weekly alignment meetings, and maintaining a risk and issue process. These structured steps improved rollout time by 40% and eliminated cost overruns. If you want a more storytelling or energetic version, I can create that too. This recap shows the core mindset PMP builds. It trains you to lead teams instead of controlling them, align stakeholders instead of working in silos, manage change instead of accepting scope blindly, and deliver value rather than just completing tasks. Ultimately, PMP helps you think strategically so you aren't stuck in daily firefighting.